protect this pout that we love to have in our selfies, in our pictures, in our videos? There are many tips and I'm gonna get started on that. And sometimes, lip pigmentation can be quite irritating, or dryness. And pigmentation can be caused due to many factors. It could be due to some medications, could be due to smoking, could be due to dryness, or sometimes even excessive sun exposure. So don't fret, we've got you covered. I'm going to share some tips and tricks that help me keep my pout looking like this, and also help to protect it to prevent any dryness or pigmentation. So starting off, hydration is key to keep your lips looking luscious and soft. So don't forget to drink a lot of water throughout the day. And remember, drinking water at regular intervals is more effective than drinking a lot of water all at once. So don't forget to drink water throughout the day. So another way to help prevent that dryness or to remove that dryness or pigmentation is to get rid of those dead skin cells that are on your lips. And a great way to do that is exfoliation. You can use any exfoliator that you have. I really like this vegan lip scrub from Plum, which is also a mint and chocolate lip scrub. It's very yummy. I secretly do taste it. And you can rub them all over your lips and then wipe them off. If you'd like to use something that's easier to find at home, just rubbing a little bit of sugar mixed with either lemon juice or honey or any home remedy that you have, or even turmeric will help to get rid of those dead skin cells and treat your pigmentation. And now, once you're done exfoliating, or in general, your lips just need that extra nourishment to stay soft, because sometimes pigmentation or dryness can just be due to lack of nourishment. And for that, I use either lip balms or lip masks or some lip serums. But here I'm going to share a few of them that I really like using. This one is from Bobbi Brown. It's actually quite a really nice lip balm. It looks quite transparent or translucent, and you apply it on your lip and it sort of adjusts to your pH color, so it gives you that little light pink tint, or a color that will adjust to your body heat or pH. And it's great if you want to use a lip balm and no lip products, no lipstick, and you just want to apply it in the day and go out. So another lip balm that I love using during the day when I want a little bit of tint is this very cute Dot & Key Lip Plumping Mask, and it has vitamin C and E, and I don't know if you can see the inside, but it's got this little berry color. So you'll need a brush to take it out, or you can take your fingers in, and you can just apply it, and it has that little berry tint, which is great to use during the day while also protecting, and then you also get a tint, so it's a double whammy. So another lip balm that I love using when you don't want too much of a tint and you want that good old regular lip balm is this one from Drunk Elephant. It's called the Lippe Balm, and it's just a fat little lip balm. It's very easy to glide on. It's not too greasy, so it's a nice way to sort of put it under your lipsticks. Usually, even if you're using matte lipsticks that you feel could dry out your skin, this is like a protective layer. But any lip balm that you find at the drugstore would work that's non-tinted if you want to use it under your lipstick or just generally for protection. As we spoke about earlier, sun exposure is also a leading cause for pigmentation or dryness, and we all forget that our lips are equally important to protect from the sun. So applying sunscreen will do the trick, but if you need something like a lip balm that has an SPF, I have a great recommendation. This one is by Sun Bum. It's a pomegranate lip balm and has SPF 30. It also has aloe and vitamin E, and it smells divine. So you will love using it for sure. They have other flavors as well if you prefer other flavors. So using an SPF lip balm is a great way to protect your lips from getting pigmented or getting too dry from sun exposure. And now, if you have very sensitive lips, or you want to keep everything very natural and you want to use something that's available at home, or you don't have the avenue to be able to buy all of these products, then you can use very simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. For example, like lemon juice. You can just squeeze out a little bit of lemon, apply it on your lips like a mask. It'll dry out a bit and then you can wipe it off. Or if you're feeling a bit frivolous, you can lick it off. And another home remedy that's great is honey, which also can be used like a lip mask. You can use it as a spot treatment on a certain pigmented area, or you can again leave it on like a mask, or you can leave it on like a little bit of a gloss if you even want to step out with it, but be wary, it might be a little sticky. And this is extremely yummy to lick off as well. And and to top it all off, aloe vera gel is great. You can use natural aloe vera gel or store-bought aloe vera gel. They're all great to use on your lips. Again, you can use them like a mask, you can use them overnight, you can use them through the day. This also helps a lot with pigmentation, and it's also very, very hydrating. So these are great alternative home remedies that are very, very easy to find at home that can help treat your pigmentation or dryness. And now a pro makeup tip. If all of these skincare routines still leave you feeling like you have pigmented lips, is just using your good old concealer. You can use a beauty blender or a brush with it. You can either choose to put it all over your lips to create an even base, or certain spots, or just the outer corners if that's where you're pigmented, and this will do the trick to save the day. And now, if you're looking for something that's heavy duty, that will take you through the night and make you wake up with the softest baby lips that you love, this one from Laneige, that's how I pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong, has a lip sleeping mask, and this is the berry flavor. And let me tell you, I have, like you can see, completely abused it. I still scrape through the ends of it. I still got to get a new one. I absolutely love this one. They do have other flavors, but I promise you the berry one is their best. And it also comes with a very cute silicone lip brush that is a great way to sort of scrape through the ends, or just pick up the lip balm and apply it on your lips. And this is a great way to sort of treat your lips if you want something that's heavy duty. And I promise you, you wake up the next day with softer lips, plumper lips, and all of your dry skin sort of automatically just gets buffed away. So these are my favorite tips to help with my lips when they're not feeling their best. But let me know if you love these tips, if they worked for you. Continue watching for more videos.